What's going on, YouTube? Back with another video. This is probably the first time you've heard me actually speak in a video, but yeah, I just want to show you guys what I've done to the inside of my car. Just because a buddy of mine was kind of talking with me earlier today, and he was just like, oh hey, you should make a video showing like the little lights and stuff that you put on the inside of your car. So here it is. Basically it's kind of like this little fiber optics wire thing or whatever with a clear kind of covering case on it, and I think you can see it better from here, kind of. So it's like this little receiver that shoots light from this box, travels through the fiber optics and everything, and then it just lights up your dashboard, lights up your center console. The way I did it, sorry about that, it's my phone. The way I did it with the center console was actually a pain in the ass, but basically, let's see if I can get some light down here. I fed a wire through this piece right here in the center console. It's probably really hard to see. And I fished it up through there. I pretty much removed this entire piece here, this whole thing there. I pretty much pried up, pulled the wire through, and then just kind of fed it along and then tucking it back in. I haven't finished yet just because, I don't know, I got kind of tired, so I ended up having to do something. But I will more than likely be cutting off this excess tomorrow morning or whatever, just to finish the look, make it look a little bit cleaner and everything, and complete everything. But yeah, I mean, that's pretty much the mod. Here, I'll turn the light off. That's what it looks like when there's no light. I think it makes your car look a lot better than just like the stock look to it. Excuse me. But yeah, I really like it. I think it looks really nice. If you think it looks nice, just leave a like. If you don't like it, leave a dislike. It's really up to you. But in the comment section too, it'd be really cool if you guys just kind of post your mods to your car. Like if you have a Challenger, like what have you done to it? Because I really like seeing what people have done to their cars and everything. I find that really interesting, just to see different ways that a person has made their car look unique. So but yeah, that's about it. I mean, something simple. If you want to know how to do this, I will link a video in the description below, or put it somewhere in this video, to this channel called Rush Shift. I believe he switched his name recently. Rush Shift. He does a great job of kind of explaining how to actually do this. He did use a different wiring system than I did. Mine's a little bit more complicated, I guess, just because of the receivers and boxes and stuff I'm using. Like he used L-wire and some other stuff. I'm using fiber optics wire and stuff. But yeah, so I'll leave that in the video description, and then I might link it on the video itself here too. But yeah, so in the comments, just let me know mods that you've done to your car, stuff like that. Leave a comment, feel free to share this with your friends, family members, enemies, whoever you want to share it with. Please subscribe. It really helps out the channel, and I'm just starting out this YouTube thing. Thought it'd be something fun to do for a little while, so I will catch you guys in the next video. Glad you can stop by. Have a great night, day, whatever time you're watching this, whatever time it gets uploaded. I'll catch you guys in the next video. Peace out.